Hi guys, welcome back to Joseph's backyard tilapia farming. This video is showing my rainwater harvesting setup to go into my tilapia pond. All right. So what I did is that we have a huge catchment area that the water runs from the roof and comes down into this catchment that I made. So it run the little 2-inch pipe that we put in to run the water underground right into the pond. All right, so it goes around there, but I am turning here to get access to my tilapia pond. Now, as you see, my grow beds are growing. I don't know what happened to the corn, but something is eating it. I'm gonna have to fix that soon. But the tomatoes are flourishing. They are now bearing fruit and they're almost ready. Well, not almost ready. They are still bearing fruit. So maybe another 2 weeks or so I'll be able to get some nice tomatoes after. So back to so I run the pipe underneath the grow bed and it comes into the pond through this pipe right here, right? So of course, when it comes in, rainfalls, overflows, clean water, and then I have this overflow pipe here that goes down about 3/3 of the pond down and comes up. So the water enters from here and change the water back there. So every now and again I get clean water in the pond, and you can see the tilapia keep the water pretty clean for a long time. I don't have to change so often. Okay.